Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the VAN 1067 Vanguard error in League of Legends. Whether your game won't start, keeps giving you errors, or you just want to get back into the action smoothly, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your control panel by searching for it in the Windows search bar. Once it's open, go to Programs and Features. Here, scroll through the list until you find Riot Vanguard. Click on it, then select Uninstall to remove any corrupted files from your system. After uninstalling, open League of Legends and click Update. This will automatically reinstall Vanguard for you. Next, we need to make sure the service runs correctly. Search for Services in the Start menu and open it. Scroll down to locate VGC, right-click it, and select Properties. Change the startup type to Automatic, then click Start. Don't forget to click Apply and OK to save the changes. Finally, restart your PC to make sure all changes take effect. After the restart, open League of Legends again, and the VAN 1067 error should be completely fixed, allowing you to play without interruptions. It's also a good idea to keep your game and Windows updated, which helps prevent future Vanguard errors. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll fix the VAN 1067 Vanguard error and get back into League of Legends without any hassle. Thanks for watching this DelftStack tutorial video. If this helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Why not make a friend's day a little easier too?